Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix off the grid gem error and unreal process has crashed UEG001 error, fatal error /Z01 client underscore win64 underscore shipping error, out of video memory error, unhandled exception access violation error, or PC shutdowns or restarts while playing off the grid on PC. So let's start with the fixes. The first solution is to simply restart your PC. Just click on Windows icon and then restart your PC. Now launch the game and check. Second solution is to run the game from the shortcut icon from desktop or from the game installation folder. So launch the game from the desktop icon. Launch the game from the game installation folder. To do this, open Steam, go to library, right click on of the grid, manage, select browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Open the G01 folder. Go to binaries, go to Win64. Double click G01 client Win64 shipping exe file to launch the game. Of the grid, select properties. Here in generator, in the launch option, type -dx11. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. Now type dx12. Now launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the command from the launch option. Settings will be lost, so backup this folder to desktop first and then delete it. To do so, open File Explorer, go to C drive, users, your username folder, save game folders, right click on OPG folder and delete it. Now launch the game and check solution issue or not. If solution is to run the game as admin or try running the game in compatibility mode. So to do this, open Steam, right click on off the grid, manage, browse local files, open G01 folder, binaries folder, 64 folder. Now right click on G01 client 64 exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply. Okay. Now launch the game from here. If that doesn't work, click on run this program compatibility or select Windows. Click apply. Okay. Now launch the game from here and check. If still not working, check mark disable full screen optimization. Click apply. Okay. Now launch the game and check. If still not working, then uncheck all the boxes in the compatibility tab, hit apply. Okay, then follow the other solution mentioned in this video. Sixth solution is to allow the game through the firewall, antivirus, disable antivirus program. If you have installed any third-party antivirus on your system, such as Commando, Avast, Kaspersky, etc., then simply allow the game through the antivirus program. Or simply disable it. Later you can turn it on. But to allow the game through firewall, we have followed the steps. In Windows search, type Windows security and open it. game installation folder. Go to this PC, C drive, program files x86, Steam app, common, of the grid folder, open G01 folder, binaries, Win64, select this exe file, click open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Make sure both private and public is tick mark. Now launch the game and check. 7 solutions to run the game on dedicated graphic card. To do so, type graphics settings, Windows search, and open it. Click on add desktop tab. Go to game installation folder. Open G01 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select G01 client, Win64 setting exe file. Click on add. Scroll down. Expand it. Then select high performance and then launch the game and check. 8th solution is to update graphic card driver. To do this, type device manager in Windows search and open it. Expand display adapter. Right click on your graphic card and select update driver. Then click on search automatically for driver. Then launch the game and check. If it is not working, then perform a clean installation of your graphic card driver. To do so, if you are Nvidia user, then go to Nvidia official website. AMD user, then go to AMD official site. I am showing the example of Nvidia driver. Here select your graphic card models and then click on find. Click on view. Then click on download. Once it is downloaded, then run the executable files and perform a clean installation of your driver. Link for installing the drivers is given in video description. 9th solution is to verify game files. To do so, open Steam, right click on your of the grid game, select properties, go to install files, click on verify integrity of game files. Once this is done, launch the game and check it solves your issue or not. 10th solution is to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this site. It is a Microsoft official website. Scroll down. Now download x86 and x64 version. Download both versions and install them. After installing them, launch the game and check. 11th solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Here, click check for updates. If any updates is available, then download them. And once the download complete, launch the game from here and check. 12th solution is to check graphics settings. If your game is launching, then you can go to the in-game settings, and if the graphics setting is set to higher, then lower it and then check. Last solution is to simply uninstall and reinstall the game. If none of the solution work for you, then simply uninstall it. Then delete all the folders related of the grid game. Then press reinstall it. Then launch the game and check. You can also download it on another drive or SSD drive and then check. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel.